Namaste students, I am Leela Jadhav from KTHM College Nasik. Today I am going to discuss with you about the syllabus of special subject Cost and Works Accounting first. This special subject in SY BCom level. Therefore, today I am going to discuss in my lecture Objectives of Cost and Works Accounting paper first for semester 3 and methods of evaluation system, teaching methodology used for this, and also discuss expected outcome of this subject. Finally, give the list of reference books, some reference books of some authors recommended by Pune University. Let us see the objectives of the course is to prepare learners to know and understand the basic concept of cost, and second, to understand the elements of cost, and third, to enable students to prepare cost sheet, and fourth one is to facilitate the learners to understand, develop and apply the techniques of inventory control. Now we will see the syllabus of Cost and Works Accounting paper 1, second year of BCom semester 3. First chapter is Basics of Cost Accounting, second is Element of Cost and Cost Sheet, third is Purchase Procedure, and fourth is Inventory Control. We have to see in detail first chapter Basics of Cost Accounting, and its contents are concept of cost, costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy, and limitation of financial accounting, origin of costing, objectives of cost and cost accounting, advantages and limitation of cost accounting, difference between cost accounting and financial accounting, cost unit and cost centers, and role of cost accountant in an organization. And the next chapter, number 2, elements of cost and cost sheet, and its contents are material, labor and other expenses, and classification of cost, and preparation of cost sheet, tender, quotation and estimates. The next unit, number 3, purchase procedure, and its contents need and essential of material control, functions of the purchase department, purchase procedure, purchase documentation. Now the most important part of your syllabus, we can say evaluation process, passing criteria, evaluation criteria. We will see the methods of evaluation as per university syllabus. The evaluation of students will be done on 3 parameters. First one, internal examination. It contains written examination, quiz, presentation, project, assignment and tutorial. And second is practical examination, and third is university examination. And the breakup of marks is the examination will be as follows. 50% of total marks are assigned for theory purpose, and 50% of total marks are allotted for numerical problems, and numerical problems will be of simply nature only. Areas of practical problems are preparation of cost sheet, tender, quotation and estimates, and economic order quantity and stock level, and inventory turnover ratios. Now we will see teaching methodology used. Following are some innovation methods to be used. For unit first, basic of cost accounting, use of PowerPoint presentation and group discussion. An activity will be given to students is YouTube lecture, poster presentation, etc. And then for unit second, elements of cost and cost sheet. For this topic, use of PowerPoint presentation and quiz competitions are used, and visit small industries to develop an understanding of various cost inputs. And then unit third is purchase procedure. For this unit, invite purchase manager in the classroom to provide practical knowledge about purchase procedure and their documentation. PowerPoint presentation activity will be given for best understanding to students. For unit 4, inventory control, invite a storekeeper in the classroom to provide practical knowledge about inventory control, and as the activity visit to small units and understand which inventory control. So these are the methodology for teaching. Let us see expected outcome from this course is from unit 1 to remember and understand basic concept of cost accounting, develop of an overall outlook of cost accounting, and unit 2 ability to prepare a cost sheet. Unit 3 ability to understand which procedure are used for purchasing the material and understand the documentation for purchase procedures, and unit 4 understanding methods used for controlling the inventory. Finally, I would like to show you some reference books which are recommended by University of Pune. These are the list. With this, I would like to say thank you very much. Next lecture we will start first chapter. Next lecture we will start first chapter, basics of cost accounting.